Hey everyone, you are in the Roblox because today I'm gonna show you how to fix Brawl Star crashing on your Android device. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, turn your phone off completely and wait for a few seconds. Turn it back and try launching a Brawl Star again. A simple restart can resolve minor issues. Alright, so step 2, check for game updates. Open Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Brawl Star. If an update is available, tap Update to install the latest version. Ensure you have at least 1 GB of free space for your smooth gameplay. If your storage is full, delete unnecessary files or apps. Clear the game cache. Just long press the app and tap Off Info. Go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. Reopen the game and check if it works. Another way is ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Switch to another network or restart your router if the issue is persist. And additionally, try to lower the graphics quality to reduce the strain on your device. And that's it. I hope one of these steps should help fix Brawl Star crashing on your Android device. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.